Hello guys, myself Sai Dimple. Today I am going to prepare peanut sweets in different shapes of fruits. Let's go and see what are the ingredients required to prepare the sweet. Take 1 cup of peanuts and let us roast 2 to 3 minutes in low flame. Now we can see that the peanuts are roasted very well. Let us transfer into a plate and cool it down. I have removed the upper layer of the peanuts by taking roasted peanuts in a cloth and rubbing with 2 hands by like this. After rubbing these peanuts, now let us transfer these peanuts into a grinder. I have transferred the peanuts into a grinder. Now let us transfer the badam into a grinder. I have grinded the peanuts and badam into a powder. Add 3/4 cup of sugar into a pan and add half cup of water to it. Bring water to boil for 2 to 3 minutes in low flame until the sugar becomes sticky. Now we can see that syrup is ready, and also we can see the sticky nature of the syrup. Peanut powder into it. Add peanut powder into the syrup. Now we should add milk powder to it. Let us add 1 spoon of ghee into it. Now let us add ilachi powder to it. Now our stuff is ready. Let us transfer it into a plate. Now let it cool. Now our stuff is ready to add food color. I have divided the stuff into 3 parts. Add red color to it and add green color to it. Now let us add green color to it and red color to it and mix it. Now we can see that color is fully mixed. I have mixed red color too. Now I am going to prepare a strawberry with these 3 stuffs. Make a small ball with white stuff. Keep a layer of red stuff. Now keep this white ball into it. And we should now let us make this into a strawberry shape. Now let us make leaf with green stuff. Now make more leaves and stick to it. Now let us keep holes on it. Now let's keep one cardamom to it as a stem. Now our strawberry is ready. Now let us make more strawberries. I have made 3 strawberries. Let us make a watermelon. Now take a small ball of red duff. Next we should keep a layer of white. And green. Now we should keep this red ball in this, and now we should keep this white ball in the green. I added food color in milk and keeping light lines on watermelon. Now our watermelon is ready. Now I am going to make custard apple. Take a small ball of white. Now make small green balls. Now we should dip this green ball in milk and we should stick to this. Now our custard apple is ready. Now let's make some more fruits. Now our sweet is ready.